We met at a general practice residency in Fresno, California. I had a boyfriend and he had a girlfriend.
I didn't want to bring that up, but
Each dumped our respective boyfriend or girlfriend.
once I met Gertrude, I said, I see her in my future. There was no even question about the relationship. Even at that point, I don't think we had any question us not being together.
About 2 years after we graduated from our GPR, I said, I want to start my own practice.
It was an amazing experience because we started from nothing.
What I liked most was being the leader, being the executive, making high-level decisions, and then being able to see the results of it.
I just loved dentistry. I couldn't get enough of it. I had such a passion for it. Not only the dentistry, but meeting the patients. She's business oriented, and I just love to do the clinical work. That's why we worked so well all these years, because we worked on our weaknesses and strength and put it together and make it work as a whole.
I got injured in 2018. I was doing surgery and tore tendons in both wrists. Ever since then, I wasn't able to practice like I did before. And so from 2018 on, Bob was doing his work and my work. In February of 2021, Bob said, I want to step away from the dental chair.
Yeah.
He was so burned out that day, just so frustrated.
I said, I'm not having fun anymore.
I even wrote it down. That was a defining moment in our dental careers. And I said, okay, as his spouse and business partner, I have to do all I can to find a way to help him. And then we got the Freedom Founders letter in the mail. When I saw that letter, I was so excited. I told Bob, okay, I'm going to call. Freedom Founders has changed our lives. Wow, in just about every way. We sold our practice. I retired. He's still working 1 day a month. And we sold our house in California. We bought a house in Nevada.
I get up in the morning, I don't have to go to work if I don't want to. I don't have to live in a state that pays tons of taxes. I mean, the time that we have available is unbelievable. I'm not worried about the practice and feeling like I financially had to be there all the time. It's just such a relief.
It's hard to express the appreciation we have for David and Candace for helping us to see what the possibilities were, because we didn't see.
My legacy is our son. I want him to be thriving, a good person, to do good for others, to be a good husband, to be a good parent.
I don't want him to struggle financially like we did.
Our son Paul is a very independent person.
We thought, oh, well, maybe he will continue in our footsteps and take over our practice. Nope, he didn't want to do that.
When Freedom Founders had the next gen, we had him come out, and he really had a lot more education in that few days than he's ever had in his schooling, and it really opened his eyes, and it's really created a lot more of a bond for us, not so much as parents, but actually as adults in finances.
The freedom that I'm looking forward to the most is being free of the office.
We're going to do an African safari this year. And that's our way to celebrate our new life. We had the freedom to be able to give us the options that we never had the time or even thought about doing. So now we have that opportunity to go and explore those other opportunities.
Freedom of choice.
Freedom of choice.
Freedom of choice. Yeah.